We got a package. This is the Edifier MR3 desktop speakers. I was already planning to upgrade from the RT1700BT, which I've been using for like 5-6 years. I don't remember, but yeah, here it is, the MR3. So we got it in black color, noir, and these are some of the features to highlight. Not really gonna go through much. One thing that I realized is that they kind of have a lot of controls and ports as well. So later when we unbox it, then you will see that at the front there is a auxiliary and headphone jack at the front as well, which is good if you want to use it for pass-through. So cables, okay. User manual, not gonna touch it, but it's here. Speaker 1, speaker 2. That's the entire packaging. Very simple. Wow, the wrap is very nice. You can see the main side here has all of these controls. So you have Bluetooth, acoustic tuning for the treble and bass. They just call it high and low acoustic tuning. So you got TRS balance. This is left and right audio out to 3.5mm TRS cable. So you have RCA, which is just left and right. This is unbalanced. I'm not really an audiophile to know what all of this is. And then for the knobs, you can see what they actually do. These two acoustic tuning ones. Okay, so we open up the cable package. So power cable, this is the left and right speaker. So black and white cables, you just connect it to the black and red, not black and, yeah, black and red, not black and white. This is black and white. RCA cable. Anyway, let's get everything hooked up. Oh, before we do that, you can see at the front we have the headphone jack. So this is for audio monitoring. Then auxiliary port, they also included one cable here. Then we have a power button and also to change the modes and also volume knob. The LEDs, they correspond to all of these, but for us, we are only gonna use it in Bluetooth mode first because I want to know what the app does. So the first thing they tell me is to upgrade the firmware. So, okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, firmware update finished. Yay. So we can see here sound effects. You got monitoring, music, and also customize. Oh, so that's what it means between the three lights, is it? Because I don't really understand what those lights are. The user manual showing those lights. Yeah, practically it corresponds to this: monitoring, music, and customize. So customize, of course, you can set your own customized EQ, which I will just leave it in default for now, but I will use it in music mode nonetheless because we are listening to music anyway. Volume control, we can set the volume here. Okay, pretty handy. User manual, prompt tones. Okay. Then power off, we can power off from here. Interesting. Bluetooth settings, we can also disconnect Bluetooth from here and factory reset. That's about it, and also the firmware update. So nothing much to do in the app other than all of this stuff. So okay, oh, we can actually upload our sound effects if we want to. There's one thing that I don't quite understand is that the speaker behind here, they say this acoustic space. So 0 dB for center, -2 dB for wall side, and then -4 for corner side. I presume this is where you should tune accordingly, depends on where you put the speakers at. So if you're putting at a corner, you should be using this, the -4 decibels. After looking back and continuing to explore the app, I finally found where we can find this menu. It is actually hidden within this button here, and here is where we can set all of these features that are shown on the speaker itself. Either way, we shall do a quick sound test first because I really do like how this speaker looks. The black and copper bronze color at the front here, it looks really nice. Yeah, let's do a quick sound test. So the price of this speaker originally is at 639 ringgit Malaysia, which is very high, but now they're doing a promotion at 469 only, which I think is a much more appropriate price. So let me know what you think about this speaker, and I am going to replace the RT1700BT with this. I know that speaker still sounds really good, but I like the look of this speaker.